Most people think that only stocks can make you rich. But what if I told you there's a safest corner of the market, one that quietly grows your money even when the market crash? You know that one friend who's not flashy but is always there with you when things go wrong in your life. That's exactly what corporate bond funds are in your portfolio. They may not make headlines, but they will give you something that most investors secretly want: stability, decent returns, and peace of mind. So in this video, let's decode how these funds work, who should invest, and how they can even beat equity sometimes quietly. Namaste friends, I am Rohini and you're watching the knowledge series of fincash.com. So let us understand what is a corporate bond fund. Imagine a company like HDFC or Tata wants to expand their business. So instead of taking a loan, it can directly borrow from investors like you by issuing something called as corporate bond. When you buy the bond, you are lending the money to the company, and in return, the company promises you to pay you regular interest and return your principal amount after some period of time. For example, say 3 to 5 years. Now, a corporate bond funds takes this concept little further. Instead of lending to just one company, fund managers collects many such bonds from large, financially strong companies and builds a diversified portfolio. SEBI, that is Security and Exchange Board of India, has made it clear that corporate bond funds must invest at least 80% of their money in high-rated corporate bonds. That means these aren't risky junk bonds. They are debt instruments from trusted companies like Tata, Reliance, Infosys, HDFC, ICICI Bank, and many such others. So in simple terms, you're lending money to India's top companies and earning steady returns in return. So you know how people run behind stocks for quick returns, but they panic right when the market falls? But here is what they do not realize. Some of the calmest profits in the finance comes from lending and not trading. That's what corporate bond funds are quietly doing. When you invest 100 rupees in a corporate bond fund, you're basically lending 100 to India's top companies. They promise to pay you interest, for example, say 7 to 8% every year, and they return your 100 rupees after a fixed period. Now here is where things gets interesting. Every time interest rates in the economy fall, the value of your old bonds rises because new ones are paying lower interest. So your fund's NAV goes up even without buying or selling stocks. That's why many investors saw their bonds give double-digit returns when Reserve Bank of India started cutting rates after COVID. But that's not the only source of return. Corporate bond funds also benefit from something that most people miss, what I call is trust premium. When market gets volatile, investors rush towards high quality, that is AAA rated companies. So these bonds attract more demand and prices slightly rise. That small price gain combined with steady interest income creates a rare mix of stability plus growth. So your returns depend on mainly two things. One is the interest rate cycle, and the second is credit quality of the company you're lending the money. That is why SEBI mandates to keep at least 80% in top rated bonds. Tata, Infosys, HDFC, Reliance, names that do not lose sleep over cash flow. So are corporate bond funds risk-free? No, they are not completely risk-free. If your interest rates shoot up, your NAV may dip a little. But compared to equity funds, the ride is much smoother. You earn while sleeping, not refreshing your portfolio every morning. So in a nutshell, corporate bond funds do not chase hype. In fact, they build peace of mind. They are for the people who wants to earn returns in rhythm of the market and not a roller coaster ride. Over the last 5 years, corporate bonds have quietly delivered 7% to 8.5% average annual return. In 2020, when stock market almost crashed by 15%, corporate bond funds still gave around 9.2% return. And what about fixed deposit? They barely gave 5.2%. Fast forward to 2023. Even when the Nifty went up to about 10%, corporate bond funds gave a steady return of 7.8%. So think about it, when the market falls, they still hold a strong ground. and when the market rises, they still quietly earn. That is what I call as peaceful compounding. Now let us see who should invest in corporate bond funds. If you are someone who wants better returns than fixed deposit and can hold money for 3 to 5 years and values consistency over thrill, then this category perfectly fits for you. Think of corporate bond funds as FD upgrade plan. They are safe but little smarter. For example, let's say you have 5 lakh lying in your fixed deposit earning 6%. Shift that to a good corporate bond fund earning around 7.8%. That's an extract of 1.5 lakh over 5 years without taking stock market risk. And here is something most people do not realize. Even many HNI investors and corporates use this fund as their parking spot for short-term to medium-term money because they offer liquidity, tax efficiency, and predictable returns all in one place. So whether you're a cautious saver or a first-time investor or someone who wants to diversify your investment portfolio, corporate bond funds gives you what equity funds do not promise. That is peace of mind with steady returns. Before you invest, here is how you can smartly spot a good corporate bond fund for investments. Number 1, check credit quality. Very important. See what kind of bonds your funds invest in. A good fund should hold at least 80% in AAA rated bond. Companies like HDFC, Infosys, NTPC or Power Finance Corp. AAA means top-notch repayment history, and that's what keeps your money stress-free. Second important parameter is diversification. You should avoid funds that lend too much to a single company or a sector. The best funds spread your money across multiple issuers and industries. So even if one faces trouble, your portfolio still stay balanced. Third factor is track record and the consistency of fund manager. Now, a fund manager is someone who manages the entire fund and portfolio. So as an investor, you should look at the past returns of the fund, but you should also check how the fund performed during tough market times, for example 2020 or 2022. A consistent fund that has delivered 7 to 8% with low volatility is far better than the flashy double-digit spikes that crashes later. Also, look at whether the same fund manager has been handling it for years because experience matter most in debt markets. The fourth parameter is to check your duration matches. Now, you do not have to mix your short-term goals with long-term bonds. Corporate bond funds work best for 3 to 5 year horizon. If you plan to withdraw early, you might face small NAV dips due to rate change. So match your goal duration with your fund's average maturity. This keeps return predictable. Now the fifth parameter, which you can say is as a bonus tip, always check on the expense ratio of a fund. It is often ignored, but a lower expense ratio, say under 0.6%, means more of your return stays with you. So it's a simple math which helps you gain silently. So let us look at some real world example. So if you are wondering where does your money goes in a corporate bond fund, let us take an example of HDFC corporate bond fund here. So they invest in bonds issued by some of the India's most trusted names. You can see here Bajaj Finserv Limited, State Bank of India, Sovereign Bonds, HDFC Bank Limited, LIC Housing Fund. They have spread their investment across 40 to 60 high-rated bonds. They invest in a diversified portfolio of high-rated bonds. 75% of asset is in AAA rated or equivalent bonds. The expense ratio is comfortably low, that is around 0.6%. So less of your return is eaten up by the cost. The fund's modification duration is 4.7 years, meaning moderate sensitivity to rate changes. This means they are far less volatile than equity. Now let's look at the returns. In 3 years, they delivered 7.9%. So when you invest here, you're not betting on hype. You're lending to some of the India's strongest business and government-linked entities. That's the power of corporate bond funds. Steady, intelligent, and that which is built on trust. Before we wrap up, if you want to explore some of the top performing corporate bond funds, then head up to our website FinCash. Go to Explore Funds In the extreme right, select debt category. Under that, you will get corporate bond fund. On the extreme right side, you will get customized fund field where you can select parameters based on your choice. And there you can explore some of the top performing funds. Now let us zoom out for a moment. In the world obsessed with chasing high returns, corporate bond funds reminds us one simple thing, that is, peace of mind is also a form of profit. They won't double your money overnight, but they make sure that your money goes steadily, safely, and quietly while you're having your sweet sleep. And when it comes to long-term wealth creation, this is all that matters. Like Warren Buffett once said, the stock market is a device of transforming money from impatient to patient. It looks like corporate bond funds has been built with the same philosophy, steady, slow, and patient. If you have found this video to be helpful, then please do like, subscribe, share amongst your friends, and never forget, it is your money, invest it smartly.